Hi, my name is Alexis Hernandez and I'm the Virtual Content Specialist for Social Studies grades K through 2 Special Ed. This guidance video is going to share a different website that students can use and that teachers can suggest their students use in order to show their thinking and learning throughout different lessons. So if we think about UDL, and if we think about universal design and allowing all of our students to have access to lessons, one thing that we often think about is action and expression, and thinking about varying the methods that our students have for responding or sharing their understanding. Many students can do a simple stop and jot. Many students can write short answer responses or write down their thinking and understanding. But also, many students need a different pathway or a different way to show their learning and understanding. So I'm going to show you a website called AutoDraw. AutoDraw gives students an opportunity to draw their thinking and understanding as a response to what they learned. And then it allows the students to share whatever they drew with their teachers or their classmates. So if I think, for example, about the Passport to Social Studies Unit 1, Day 2 lesson for first grade, this lesson focuses on the members of a family. Throughout the lesson, you'll see the pencil icon, and that's where the lesson is supposed to stop for a moment and have students jot down their responses, write down a response, or type their understanding. For other students, though, I'd like to suggest that we try out AutoDraw. This will give them an opportunity to draw their response and share it with the teacher. So, one part of this lesson asks the students to think about some features of a family. And the blue box requires them to type down or to jot down or write down features of a family. But other students might prefer using AutoDraw. All you have to do is go to autodraw.com and you'll see all of the different features that the students can use. The color feature, they can change their color. This is the auto draw feature where it will automatically pick up on what you're sketching and suggest an option for you. So if I click on auto draw, I might start drawing, let's say, a circle, and auto draw will suggest, oh, are you trying to draw a circle? Are you trying to draw the moon? And now I have a moon piece of clip art. Now, I also might just want to free draw so that I can write down my response. If this question is asking me to write down some of the features of a family, well then maybe my student wants to draw what they believe are the features of a family. I think there's a mom. I think there's oftentimes a dad. I believe that families usually live in the same house together. Sometimes families can have pets. And today, I learned that these can be some of the features of the family. I can take the text and I can write my name on it. I can change the color of my text if I want. I can zoom in. I can add shapes. I can add a fill background. And I can now share this with my teacher. I've got my answer here. And now I can go to share. How can I share it? Well, I can copy the link and email it. I can send it straight through Gmail, or if your class has a Twitter, you can tweet it at your friends or your teacher as well. This website is simple, it's quick, and it gives our students a lot of different opportunities to share their thinking and learning. If we think about a simple lesson like the first grade Unit 1, Day 2 lesson, where students have to share what are the different features of a family. This is an opportunity for students to share their thinking and their learning. It might not be the simple jot, it might not be typed or written down, but through this drawing, I can gather information and I can see what the student learned about the features of a family. So I suggest you check out AutoDraw and use it as a response and opportunity for your students to share their thinking.